Welcome to this Matrikon tutorial video. My name is Roger and I'll be walking you through certificate management with Matrikon Data Broker and its associated components. When Matrikon UA Explorer and MDB are installed on the same computer, the certificates for each application are installed in the appropriate Trusted Certificate folder as part of the installation process. No action is required from the user in this scenario, and UA Explorer connects to MDB with no issues. However, if the components are installed on different computers, you must install the certificates manually to ensure a successful connection. I have two virtual machines in this example. I'll try to connect UA Explorer on this one to Data Broker on VM2. This connection attempt fails, and although there is no advisory pop-up, an error message appears in the log window. If we take a closer look, we can see the request failed on bad security checks failed. There is also a hint which states, please ensure server has accepted UA Explorer certificate. We'll head over to the other VM now. Open Windows Explorer and navigate to the Rejected Certificates folder for your instance. Cut and paste the certificate into the Trusted Certs folder. Return to the Rejected Certs folder and ensure the certificate is no longer present. Return to UA Explorer on the remote machine and retry the connection. If we attempt the connection again, we can see that it now succeeds. In this section, I'll cover managing certificates for OPC UA servers, whether they are Matrikon Data Broker adapters developed by Matrikon or third-party servers developed by another vendor. In this example, I'll show you what is required when you install the MDB adapter on a different computer than MDB. I've installed MDB on VM2 and the OPC to UA MDB adapter on VM3. If there is an issue with the certificates, it will present itself when you try to add the MDB adapter as a federated data source. This will also occur when you try to add a third-party OPC UA server, either remotely or locally. Again, there is no error message pop-up. However, a message that the connection attempt has failed appears in the lower left corner of the configuration window, and an error message, bad security checks failed, appears in the log. This indicates the adapter or server has rejected the connection attempt by Data Broker. Go to the computer where the server or adapter is installed. Open Windows Explorer and navigate to the Rejected Certificates folder for the adapter. Locate the certificate for Matrikon Flex Dispatch and cut and paste it into the Trusted Certificates folder for the OPC to UA adapter. Return to the other computer where MDB is running. You'll see the error has changed to bad certificate untrusted. If not, wait 30 seconds or until the error appears. This indicates that Data Broker has rejected the reply from the adapter. Close this window. Click on the Manage Certificate icon. This opens the Certificate Management panel. This panel is populated from MDB Certificate Store Trusted Certs and Rejected Certs folders. You'll see a certificate for Matrikon OPC UA adapter in the list that is not trusted. Select it and click on Accept. Then click OK. This action moves the certificate from the Rejected Certs folder to the Trusted Certs folder. If we return to the Federated Data Sources configuration page, we can now see that the connection status has changed to good, and the connection status is now browsed.
Thank you for watching this Matrikon tutorial video. If you found this information useful and want to see more of this type of content, smash that like button and leave a comment in the page below. Don't forget to subscribe to this Matrikon videos channel for more tutorials and other related videos, and ring the bell to get updates on new content.